Surf Co. It's all happening here. To finish the day off for a nice little longboard sesh on this Skin Dog Eurostar today.